Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your presentation and immediately saving a backup. That protects you if changes go wrong. Once the file is backed up, click the target slide and open the Transitions pane so you see applied effects and timing. Make sure to disable Slide Show Mode while editing, because previews can behave differently. Now, clear any automatic timing or trigger settings that could interfere, and keep the selection pane open so you can see hidden objects that may affect the transition. Once you can see the transition, diagnose why it misbehaves. Look at duration and delay values and whether Apply To is set to one slide or all. Then, open the animation pane to inspect triggers and object order because a hidden animation can override a transition. If timings conflict, reset them to sensible values, for example 0. 5-1, 0 seconds for short moves. Next, change the transition type and preview repeatedly, because swapping often resolves corrupted effect data. To finish, apply the corrected transition to adjacent slides as needed and run the slideshow to confirm behavior across screens. If the problem persists, copy the slide content into a fresh presentation. That removes hidden corruption. Also export a test PDF or video to verify timing outside PowerPoint. If nothing helps, restart PowerPoint, clear temporary files, and install updates. Often version bugs cause glitches, so updating will frequently fix stubborn transition issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.